Hey, this is Missy with the Cady team. Check out our newest listing here in Riverside. What I love about this is obviously the happy vibes. Oh my gosh, nothing better than Florida sunshine, yellow house. Come on in. We are walking distance from St. Vincent's Medical Center, blocks from the river, and even more, Riverside, Avondale, Five Points, local parks, and so many local shops and places to eat. Don't you love the historic charm of this house? Gosh, I can move in today. Modern upgrades, original features. What more could you want? This is Riverside living at its finest. Can you imagine watching your kids play on the playground, take a stroll down to the river, even head on down to Avondale for a wine tasting?